Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to open Tops 2025-2026. Alright, so we got to hold this box from Hobby Stadium. So this is the version of the blaster box of Tops. As you can see, we can hit Chase Exclusive Season Tip-Off Parallels. Alright, let's rip this box. Today there were two games between the Golden State Warriors versus the Denver Nuggets and then the Indiana Pacers. The Thunder won via an overtime again. And then the Warriors also is 2-0. Okay. This comes with 7 packs per box and 12 cards per pack. Alright, so let's see if we can get Cooper Flag. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, let's go. So it's been a while since I've opened a box. Alright, so let us see if we get lucky with the tops. So for our first card, we have Trey Murphy. We have Wendell Carter. We have here Keldon Johnson. We have a Westbrook. We have from the Toronto Raptors, Raptor Shines. Alright. Cards look so slick and good. So we have here Christian Braun from the Atlanta Hawks. We have the Ballers Show Out. Nice. These are nice looking card. Alright. Then we have here Obi Toppin. Oh my god. This is my favorite. This is my PC. Magic Johnson. Wow. Wow, I got my PC. This is, I think, a silver. I'm gonna sleeve this first. Okay, I'm gonna get a sleeve. Wow, I want to show you guys in my next video some of my Magic Johnson collection. Yeah, I got a hit already. It's a 45th anniversary. Yeah, too bad it's not number, but I'll take it. It's my PC, Magic Johnson. Alright. So next, we have here Scoot Henderson. And we have Pelicans pair. Alright. I think this is... okay, not numbered. And then we have here Carter Bryant, an RC rookie. Alright, so far so good on the first pack. This video will, I think, will be a little bit long since we're gonna take a card one by one. Take a look at the card one by one. Okay, for the next we have here the Heat Catch Fire. Alright, nice looking card. Then we have Julius Randle. We have here the Youthful Just Play. Wow, these are very nice looking card. Then we have here AJ Griffin, Domantas Sabonis. We have here Grayson Allen, Tyrese. Okay, we have KD. They lost their first game against the OKC in the double overtime. We have RJ Barrett. And we have an 8-bit baller of John Stockton. Another legend. Oh, we have a back flip card. Why is it flip? Is this numbered? Oh, it's not numbered. We have here Dylan Harper. It's look like a silver card. Yes. Then from the Brooklyn Nets, we have Saraf. Then Saraf. Okay, for the third card, for our third pack, okay, Miles Turner, we have Chris Dunn, Ryan Dunn, we have Marcus Sasser, Devin Booker, James Harden, Mikal Bridges. Who's this? This is Tomlin Camara, Jalen Bronson. Oh, I think we hit another banger. Oh no, it's only Daniel Gafford. Alright, I thought it was a signature card, but it's not. It's a silver anniversary. And we have here at the back, Dylan Harper of the San Antonio Spurs, generation now. Okay, nice looking card. We have Brayton Pritchard, and we have a Elijah Martin. Alright, down to the last 4 packs. Okay, nice cards here. Okay, alright. Here is Matas Buzelis. We have Ben Simmons, Paul George, Collier. We have Jalen Wilson. We have DeAndre Ayton. We have here Drew Holiday from the Boston Celtics. These are nice looking cards. We have Lugan Dort. Okay, we have defensive duo leads. Right. So far I have it 8-bit baller. So Devin Booker. It's not numbered. We have a Franz Wagner and a Gigi Jackson from the Memphis. Alright. So let's continue. Down to the last 3 packs. Okay, so to make this quick, it's Scoot Henderson. This is Sherman. Alright, we have SGA. It's not numbered. Then we have here the Sacramento Kings having fun hooping. We have Jalen Duren. Another Lakers. We have Austin Reeves. Alright. Austin Reeves. Next, we have a Damian Lillard. Okay, so under the cards, you can see a flagship. There's a word flagship. I don't know what that means. We have Devin Carter for the next card. And we have a backward card of Cole Anthony. Okay, so the backward cards are silver. Then we have a power players of Paul George. Right. It's not numbered. Okay, from the 76ers. Then we have Rob Dillingham. And we have Rick Barry from the Warriors. Alright. So we are down to the last 2 pack, guys. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you hit the like and subscribe button to help my channel. I'll try to rip another box probably by next week. Another one. Let's see. I have Karl Anthony Towns, Lauri Markkanen. We have a Tyrese Maxey. We have Quinton George, Vucevic, Okongwu. And we have Amen Thompson. This is Nick Smith Jr. and Garland, Darius Garland. And then we have another generation now. This is Ben Saraf. We have here Suns Duo Up Scoreboard of Devin Booker. Heat check. Okay, and we have Spud Web. Alright. Spud Web. Alright, down to the last pack. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know your comment about the cards that I got. Right, okay, so we have here Nicholas Batum. We have Asar Thompson, Rui Hachimura. Yeah, we have Kyle Kuzma, Ja Morant. We have Messi. We have Anthony Black, Jeremy Sohan. For the back of the card, let's see. We have what we have. It's GG Jackson. Okay, I think this is a silver. The 8-bit baller of Derek Queen. And we have here Derek Queen again. And for the last card, it's Will Riley. Alright, that's it, guys. Again, thanks for watching.